First, head over to the apc.com homepage on your web browser. When you're on the homepage, you can click on the battery selector under the product resources here. Or from any page on apc.com, you can navigate to the same tool by clicking on the Support tab on the menu bar, then Resources and Tools, then click Tools and Selectors. Once you're on that page, you can choose UPS batteries and upgrades to get to the tool. Once you are on the battery selector tool page, the next thing you will need is the model number of your UPS. As you can see here, the model number can be found on a sticker on the bottom or back of your product. When you have found the precise model of your unit, enter it into the search field on the left-hand side of the page. You should see some drop-down options underneath the field. Go ahead and click the correct model from the drop-down list. Be sure to select the correct model number, as there may be very similar products with slightly different model numbers. The correct battery cartridge should show up as a result here at the top once you click on the model number from the drop-down. I would recommend recording the part number for the battery for future reference, should you have to replace the battery again. From here, you may simply add the battery cartridge to your cart or click on the product page for more information.